सर वोटरांचा रिस्पॉन्स कसा असा तुमकां दिसता?
From morning, I think voting has been quite good. It's a mixed trend, but I believe ZP elections are speaking. Maybe by lunchtime we will know the actual trend. A lot of booths, the voting is going very slow. That is the concern. Whether it is done purposely or government machinery is being used, we'll know in an hour or two. But खुबशा बुथांकडल्यान कंप्लेन आयल्या की वोटिंग जय BJP नाल्यार हांकां कमी आसा थंय it's slowed down, like very slow they are doing it, and the machinery I believe is being used. I wouldn't make a direct charge as of now. And एक वरान right now it's about 10:15, 10:30. So maybe another 1 hour we'll know the trend what it is. But I feel voters have been coming out. गोंयच्या दृष्टिकोनांतल्यान जे विशय गोंयकारांक दुखता ते फुडली कड कितें आसा ते आयच्या इलेक्शनार स्थायीक जातली. What people feel should come out in the vote, and that vote will tell what is Goa. So, if voting happens in a right percentage.
So 2021 ची निवडणुका जातली ताका सेमीफायनल म्हणून पळयले वता ह्या निवडणुकीक जिल्हा पंचायत.
Every election has its own value, so I wouldn't call it a semi-final or whatever. But today's issue जे ज्वालन गोंयचे विशय आयच्या तारखेन आसा ताका डिस्क्रायब करपाक गोंयच्या बद्दल लोकांनी भायर येवनूच मत मारपा जाय, जाल्यारूच प्रॉपर थॉट जाता. Giving everybody is on the road agitated, that needs to be converted into votes. So that is on the people of Goa today. So I call upon the people of Goa to vote wisely and come across all political lines to ensure that Goa is safe. ताज्या खातीर ताजें मत तितलेंच इम्पॉर्टंट आसा जे विशय तो आपले स्वताचे मांडटा गोंया खातीर नाल्यार आपल्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी खातीर. They have to ensure that they vote. Porvorim Khatir development has been always the mantra, and we have always been with our people have been with us. So we expect people to come out in numbers and vote. Only machinery which is being used, we will know in some time whether they are actually slowing it down or it's what is the issue.
BJP आणि काँग्रेस आणि तातून इंडिपेंडंट आसा, सो ही चॅलेंजिंग आसा तुमकां अशें दिसता निवडणूक काय?
आमकां हांव अपक्ष आणि हांव सदांच म्हणटा की लोक म्हणटा ती आमची खरी शक्ती. त्या शक्तीच्या बळानूच 2012च्यान आतां 8 वर्सां जालीं वी आर रनिंग आवर पार्ट इन पोरवोरीम, वेर पीपल ऑफ पोरवोरीम हॅव गिवन फेथ ऑन वॉट वी आर डुईंग. आमी अकाउंटेबिलिटी, ट्रान्सपरन्सी आणि पार्टिसिपेटरी प्रोसेस जो दवरला डेव्हलपमेंटाचो, दॅट इज बॉट पोरवोरीम वेर इट इज. द ट्रस्ट फॅक्टर इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट, आणि आय थिंक दॅट विल वर्क व्हेरी फेवरेबली पीपल हू वूड लाईक टू डू डेव्हलपमेंट, नॉट ओनली प्ले विथ पीपल विथ पॉलिटिक्स.
ओके, वोटिंग जागा केला ती